today, just a little less mundane. Oh.
Guys, kailan ko nakasakay ng economy na elevator.
Can we check in early? Or is it possible to check in early?
Check in now.
Early, yeah. This is our booking.
You looking tomorrow?
Yeah. What date is it? Oh, is it for tomorrow? Wait, what date is it? Oh, yeah. So this is for today.
Okay. You looking soup?
How many people?
3.
3 people.
Tương khoai.
So now it's very early. We don't have a room available. We don't check in early for you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you need check in early. You pay more.
How much would it be?
700 đồng.
700,000,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. Time check in 2 p.m. Time check out is 12 a.m.
Yeah, I think we'll just get the 700,000. Like we will just pay. Can we pay? We will just pay for early check-in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you accept card here? Card, debit card. Card for payment. Credit card payment.
Credit card, you pay a credit card. The bank charge is 4%. I think you pay later. You go to the bank, you take cash keep for you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, don't worry. You stay here 2 nights, right?
Yes.
2 Tallinn, right? What's the name?
Giselle de la Cruz. De la Cruz.
De la Cruz, right?
Yes, Giselle.
Yeah. I need own a passport. Looking for you a room here.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it with the balcony or we will transfer later?
Here is the family room. Say on 4 people.
Okay.
Yeah.
But does it have balcony?
Balcony now we don't have.
But we will transfer later. Just for the early check-in.
It's up to you. It's I think it's a room here. I give you it's a bigger room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But they want the one with the
This
balcony.
balcony is very small. You see in here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We upgrade for you. You book room with 3 people.
Yes.
We upgrade for you room with 4 people. It's a bigger room. Just same price. You pay only check-in. Here is passport Wi-Fi. It's for Amtech and 4.8 and then 4.5 Amica Premier.
Okay.
On the table, free for you tea, coffee, and water. On the table, free for you every day.
Mm-hmm.
You have a mini bar in the room. You pay extra.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So, room to stay is 505.
Okay.
Ngoài bên ở bên phát từ đất phát chân được vậy. Yeah, it's level 5.
It's okay. Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Go
See
on.
you here. Room at the right.
Give me.
Just.
You were little very small.
Oh yeah, we can. Thank you.
Thank you. Come on. Guys, kailan ko nakasakay ng economy na elevator. Kailan iya rin?
Digit, nag-account pa ko kay... Oh, salit siya. Ayos ako siya. Guys, ang kanilang bathroom. Kasi ang gibo ko original. Hello? Yes? Oh no, just 2 nights. Okay. Okay, thank you. Hindi kaya original na gibook ko na i-balcony. Nya karon kay nag-i-upgrade daw ta sa bigger room. Anak ko na balcony man akong gusto dili man bigger room. Di ba may tayo makuha kay walay available nga room sa na balcony early check-in. Early check-in man ta karon. So, pa-transfer na lang taon. Oh, hindi ko na ako ba para maka-early check-in na makaligo ba? Before sa'yo ito makagawas. Okay? So, ito yung room. Wala ba siya ikuan? Ang pitana. Guwapo man siya guys, pero gusto ko yung balcony. Gusto ko yung balcony. Oh, this one.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, we will just... Yeah, maybe he went to the bathroom. We can just wait. Okay, so ito na ang ating room. So ito ang ating actual room. Ang sasabi ko, ibalik kami dun sa original na binuko. So ito na. Ito yung CR. Cup, meron toothbrush, comb, shower cup. Ito, cotton buds. Then yung towel, tissue, meron shampoo, shower gel, head and cold shower. Ito yung CR guys. And then ito yung room. Isang double bed, isang single. And then meron free na water. Black tea, and then free coffee. Ito is good for too long. Okay lang, hindi naman ako nagkakape. Then yun is may bayad din siya guys. Meron silang ref, then sleeper, bathroom, kettle. Okay. Then ito yung bed. Yung bed, ito yung TV. And then ito yung balcony. Yung pinaglaban na balcony. Oh, ano man, masabi nyo? Ito yung gibayaran ko, tapos ito yung hindi ibigay. Ay! So, yun yung pasada. is so, ito yung binayaran niya talaga. Yung balcony. Okay. So, yun guys. Binook ko siya sa Agoda. Tinabok ko sa Agoda. Bali, from March 4 to March 6. Family suite with balcony. 1 queen bed, 1 single bed. And then, it cost me 5,778.57 pesos. Tapos ano siya guys, hindi siya accessible ng elevator. So, may mga pasikot-sikot pa siya. Parang naka-maze. So, bali, 4th floor, akyat 4th floor, tas baba to like 3rd floor. And then, yun na. Ito na. Ito na guys, ito na. Kita nga, wala na naman yung parents ko.